Hey guys, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to copy and paste in Mac. I have two text documents open over here on my screen. What I will do is copy this piece of text from this text document and paste it over here in this text document. And you are going to learn the copy and paste operation in Mac in two ways. One using keyboard shortcut and another using trackpad. So let's begin. Alright, I have my on-screen keyboard already open so that you can see which keys I am pressing. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the cursor over here and then drag it across the text so that the text gets selected, and then I'm going to press Command C. It's Control C in Windows, but it's Command C in Mac. Now I'm going to come to the second text document, place my cursor over here, and over here I am going to press Command V. So it's Control V in Windows, but it's Command V in Mac. And there you go. You can see that the text has been pasted. So you just learned how to copy and paste in Mac using keyboard. Now I'm going to tell you how to do the same using trackpad. So what I'm going to do, my cursor is already over here. I am going to drag it across the text to select it. And then I'm going to use the first two fingers of my right hand to press on the trackpad. This is going to open this menu from which I'm going to select copy, and then I'm going to go to the second document. Might as well go to the next line, and over here again, by making use of the first two fingers of my right hand, I'm going to press the trackpad. A menu opens again, and over here you can see the paste option. Click on it and there you go. You just learned how to perform the copy and paste operation in Mac using trackpad. Let me also show you how to copy a file from one folder and paste it into another folder. Alright, so I have two folders open. One is source and another one is target. This is the demo file which we are going to copy from this folder and paste in the target folder. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this file to select this file. So what I will do, I will click on this file to select this file, and then I'm going to press Command C, and then I'm going to come to this target folder. Over here, what I'm going to press, Command V, and there you go. The file has been pasted, and this is how you create a copy of a file. And you can perform the same operation to create a copy or multiple copies of a folder in Mac. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you found it useful. Do subscribe to Joey's Tech to watch more such videos. I'll see you in the next video of Joey's Tech. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.